Welcome to Ruwa Perfect classes. In this video, I will discuss about physics of class plus 1. What is physics? Physics is a scientific study of matter. Physics is a scientific study of matter, its motion, and behavior through space and time, and the related entities of energy and force. फिजिक्स क्या है? एक साइंटिफिक स्टडी है मैटर की, उसके मोशंस की, बिहेवियर की थ्रू स्पेस एंड टाइम, and it is related with the entities of energy and force. It's a fundamental science which seeks to understand the laws governing the universe, implementing the universe from smallest particles to largest structure. फिजिक्स क्या है? एक ऐसी साइंटिफिक स्टडी है जो मैटर की स्टडी करती है, मोशंस की स्टडी करती है, बिहेवियर को स्टडी करती है थ्रू स्पेस एंड टाइम, और एंटिटी ऑफ एनर्जी और फोर्स को स्टडी करती है। ये एक फंडामेंटल साइंस है जो ये बताती है कि कौन सा लॉ यूनिवर्स को के ऊपर लगेगा, कैसे लग रहा है, कैसे स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल से लार्जेस्ट स्ट्रक्चर तक इम्प्लीमेंट हो रहा है कोई लॉ। नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट माइंड में आता है, व्हाट इज मैटर एंड व्हाट इज एनर्जी। जो फिजिक्स है विच इन्वेस्टिगेट्स द फंडामेंटल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स ऑफ मैटर and how they interact to form physical world. Physics explore the principles which implement the motion of objects, forces, which reason changes in their movement. And physics also show into nature of universe from microscopic world of quantum mechanics to the macroscopic world of cosmology and general relativity. Physics develop theories, models to explain physical phenomena and it predict their behavior. Application in technology. Physics principles are the main foundations for many technological advancements. You can include electronics, medicine, and energy production, etc. Mechanic means which deals with the motion of objects under the influence of forces. Thermodynamics means it studies the relationship between heat, work, temperature, and energy. Magnetism means it explores the interaction between electric and magnetic fields. Quantum physics means it investigates the behavior of matter at the atomic or subatomic level. And it also explains relationship between space, time, and gravity. Space, time, and gravity. It shows relationship between space, time, and gravity. There are two types of branches of physics: classical physics, modern physics. Classical physics include mechanics, thermodynamics, or electromagnetism. In modern physics include nuclear particle physics, astrophysics, and quantum physics. Now I am going to discuss one by one these contents. First is First point, I have introduced you what is a physics and how to develop and what will be the features, what will be the concepts I already discussed. Now I am going to discuss about what is measurement. What is measurement? The the process in which a standard is compared with a physical quantity, that is known as measurement. मीन्स कि वो प्रोसेस जिसमें एक स्टैंडर्ड को कंपेयर किया जाता है फिजिकल क्वांटिटी के साथ, उसको मेजरमेंट कहते हैं. सेकेंड टॉपिक, दैट इज फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. फिजिकल quantity. The quantities in terms of the quantities in terms of which laws of physics can be expressed and which can be measured. Can be measured. That is physical quantity. मीन्स कि वो क्वांटिटीज which in terms law of physics can be expressed and which can be measured. मतलब क्वांटिटीज का मतलब यहाँ पर ये है कि वो क्वांटिटीज जिसमें हम लॉ ऑफ फिजिक्स को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, जिसमें इसको मेजर कर सकते हैं, उसको फिजिकल क्वांटिटी कहते हैं. Now third point is fundamental physical quantities. Fundamental physical quantities. Fundamental physical quantity means which depend on basic physical quantities. Depends on basic physical quantity. What is fundamental physical quantities? वो फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज जो कि सॉरी आई हैव टोल्ड यू रॉन्ग. Just a minute. Physical quantities, fundamental physical quantity means physical quantities which are independent, which are independent. It is also called basic physical quantity. Example: mass, length and time, etc. मतलब फिजिकल क्वांटिटी वो क्वांटिटी है जो कि इंडिपेंडेंट होती है, उसको बेसिक फिजिकल क्वांटिटी भी कहते हैं. इसमें हम मास, लेंथ, टाइम एटसेट्रा इसको लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास आता है डिराइव्ड फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज. derived physical quantities are dependent quantities on basic physical quantities. Example: area we have to find, in which we will use length and width. Now next topic is unit. The standard used to measure a physical quantity is called unit. Types of units: Basically, there are two types of units. First is basic, second is derived. Basic unit, independent units, and derived dependent units. In basic units, mass, length, time, electric current, etc. are used. In derived unit, unit of density is derived from unit of mass and volume. Next topic is system of measurement. System of measurement. In this first point, you have to keep in mind system of unit. System of unit means a complete set of units. A complete set of units used for measurement of physical quantity. What is system of unit? It's a complete set of units which is used for measurement of physical quantity. System units used for describing measurement of various physical quantities like CGS, CGS system. CGS means centimeter, gram and second. And FPS system means foot, P for pound, S for second. Third system is MKS, meter, kilogram, seconds, and you can say ampere. Next type is SI system. SI system, which is used in 1960, it is a General Conference of Weight and Measurement. And SI is International System of Unit. International System of Units. Now, International System of Units. Next, I am discuss about basic physical quantity and their system units. First basic physical quantity is length, which symbol is used for length L, and units is used meter. Second, mass. M is symbol, unit is used kilogram, and third is time, symbol is used T, and unit is used seconds. Next is electric current. Electric current symbol is used capital I, and unit is used ampere. Temperature, symbol used capital T, small t is used for time, and unit is used Kelvin. Amount of substance, amount of substance, N is used symbol, and unit is used mole. Luminous intensity, luminous intensity, symbol is used TV, and unit is used candela. In short, used CD. Mole, in short, used MOL. Kelvins K, ampere capital A, second small s, kilogram kg, meter m. These are the basic 7 physical quantities and their SI units. 2 supplementary physical units, physical quantities also available. 2 supplementary physical quantities. First is plane angle. For plane angle we use radian and unit is RAD. Second, solid angle. For solid angle we use stadian, STERADIAN. In short we use SR. In this video I have discussed about physics, then I have discussed measurement, physical quantity, fundamental physical quantity, derived physical quantity, unit, types of unit, system of measurement, international system of units. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and share my channel with your friends so that they can take benefits from these videos. And don't be forget to subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos.